distance between the best solution and the new solution. Now this d we will put it into this equation to find the new value of x or a new solution. And there also this the optimal value of x or position of base 12 or the value of x for which the maximum value of y has been achieved will be there minus a new coefficient dot d. So this d and this d is same, this x and this x is same. The result will be a new value of x, which will be again you will put into the equation to find out the value of y, and then you will compare that new value of y with the old values of y. If your new value of y is greater than your old values of y, then new value is the winner. If not, the old value or the old value of y will be the winner, and we will go on with it. So this is the concept. Okay, now you will say what is A and what is C. So what is C and what is A? A is actually the coefficient which is equals to 2 small a dot r minus a. So what is this small a? This is a small value which linearly decreases from 2 to 0 over iterations. In one iteration, for the first iteration, you will take the value of a small a to be 2. Then you take the value of, in the next iteration, you take the value of small a to be 1.98, then 1.96, then 1.94, like this one. Anyway, the value will be decreasing from 2 to 0 at each iteration. So according to the number of iteration that you have considered, that this is the maximum number of iteration that I will iterate the problem, you decide how much amount you will reduce